Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, so today I am going to pack my things up because on Thursday we are going to Livigno. Livigno is a ski resort in the province of Italy in the Italian Alps near the Swiss border. So it's going to be a lot of fun there. So guys, help me out and let us check if I am not missing something on our trip to Livigno. Okay, let's start. I forgot to say to you guys that we are taking the dogs with us. Laika and Ramen are going with us. So I have here Ramen's boots and Ramen's jacket, thermal jacket with hood, and of course here's Laika's jacket, thermal jacket as well. So nice, right? And then moving forward, let us check if I am not missing out some of our gadgets, important gadgets, the essentials that I really have to bring in the video, like power bank, check, selfie stick, pack, Bose headset, pack, check, and of course 2 cameras. We are bringing Laika and Olympus on our trip to Livigno. So on this trip to Livigno, I have decided not to bring any Louis Vuitton stuff, but I am going to bring this the North Face traveling bag. This is very sturdy, and I think it is specifically made for like hiking, going to the mountains, or anything like that, or skiing. So you can bring it just like this, just like a handbag, or you can use this 2 straps and use it like a big backpack, right? On this side, I have decided to bring this another North Face special edition Borealis. It's a little bit dirty and untidy, but it's okay. It's still North Face special edition. I think I will just put the things of Ramen and Laika in this backpack. And hey, what are you doing here? Are you excited, Ramen? No. Okay, moving forward, we have here 2 thermal pants, one for me and one for Dawn. We got this from Decathlon. Yes, I think this is sufficient to keep us warm in Livigno. And as for me, I also got this from Decathlon, a thermal jacket. So, I think Don has his own thermal jacket that he got last year from the North Face. So, he's going to pack his things on his own. This crocodile skin envelope are our documents that we need to go there. Our passports, our identity cards, and everything. And here are thermal socks and neck warmer that I also got from Decathlon. And this right here are the thermal shirts that I'm going to use, undershirts, when we go there. And over this thermal undershirts, I'm going to have this. Nice, right? And over this, I'm going, on top of this, I'm going to wear this one. And on the top of this one, I'm going to wear that thermal jacket. With all those layerings of clothes and thermal jackets and thermal undies and everything that I'm going to wear on me when we go to Livigno, I think I am going to look like a fluffy penguin. And here are two pairs of thermal hand gloves. This is the pair for me, and this is for Donnie, that we also got from Decathlon. And over here is thermal hat for me. So nice that I also got this from Decathlon. And since I know I am going to look like a fluffy penguin on our Livigno trip, I want to glam my look. So I decided to bring this Berber scarf to accessorize my fluffy penguin look in Livigno. And before I forgot, we have two pairs of polarized sunglasses that we also got from Decathlon. They are specifically made for those who are going to the mountains, like mountain hiking or trekking or skiing. But to glam things up, I have decided to bring my Gucci shades. So, because as we all know, Livigno is a tax-free zone. So maybe when I go shopping alone, I'm going to wear the shades. And whenever I'm with the dogs on the mountain, I am going to wear this polarized shades, right? That makes sense. So let's not just forget the skincare products. So as we all know, Livigno is a very cold place. It is covered with snow at this time. But let us not forget the fact that we are near to the sun. So I'm bringing this SPF 50 high protection and another SPF 30. So since I am not going to bring any Louis Vuitton or MCM pouch or bag in the mountain, I have decided to bring this necklace wallet. And in this, I can put my cell phone, my cards, or my documents. So this is very convenient when I go there. And lastly, let us not just forget the footwear that we're going to bring on the mountain. These are ice boots that we got from Decathlon. They are matching boots. One pair for me and one pair for Dawn. We're going to wear this before and after skiing and whenever we go out for a walk on ice. But as you guys know me, when I go shopping, I am going to wear these leather boots. So that's it for today. Thanks guys. Bye. Bye ramen. Okay. We are all packed up for Livigno.